not every day you can have a $1 million view for under $350,000. We have 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, move-in ready with a list of upgrades that's so long, I can't even give them all to you right now. Come on inside. You gotta check this one out for yourself. Alrighty, thanks very much for joining us. Peace and quiet, just under 2 hours from Dartmouth, here in Beaver Harbour. Like I said, that list of upgrades, new roof, solar panel system, heating system upgrades, nice new heat pump in there. As you've seen, we've got a beautiful move-in ready home, a place for you to come and enjoy some beautiful peace and quiet and that amazing view. I'm Matt Morant with eXp Realty. Book your tour. If you don't have an agent that you're working with, get in touch. Be happy to bring you through.